Okay, guys, I have a solar light right there. See that solar light over there? Here, I'll show you the truck. Here, I'm gonna get my shoes in. Alright, guys, and here's the light. It's pouring out here. Here's your little top thing up there. Here's your little solar light. That's my light over here. And here, I got some lights for it too. But that's the big shiny one. And also, I thought of dude I have is these lights. Isn't it pretty cool, guys? And up there is my other solar light, which is working too. And let me show you what it does. This is what it does. When you turn it off and when you turn it on. It looks like this. And here, the little plugins right there. Let's turn it on. And also, here's your lights here. So here's the next one. And that's how it glows. That's the solar light here. So it pretty works cool. Too, I have to check on it. Oh guys, did I show you that solar light? Yeah, I'm just gonna get a close test. Here we go. Here's the next solar light. That solar light right there. Here's the next solar light. It's bright too. I'll place it here. That's the solar light. So pretty cool solar lights here. And it's from, here's another solar light, which is this. I have. So, and he glows up in the dark, see? So, it is cool. Have to get my tail back in. It's freaking raining out here.